Hello, I'm Junior Fleury. Today is day 21 of my journey to learn email marketing and paid advertising, build a marketing agency, and document the entire process on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to talk about B2B market segmentation. So, what exactly is B2B market segmentation? B2B market segmentation is the process of dividing a large market into smaller groups of businesses that share similar characteristics, needs, or behaviors. Instead of trying to sell your product or service to every company, you identify the businesses that are the best fit for what you offer. For example, imagine you run a marketing agency. Rather than marketing to every business, you could specialize in SaaS companies or healthcare businesses. Now, your marketing becomes much more relevant because you're speaking directly to the people most likely to buy from you. This is one of the biggest difference between B2B marketing and B2C marketing. In B2C, you're selling to individual customers. Buying decisions are often emotional and happen quickly. But in B2B, you're selling to companies. The buying process is usually much longer, involves multiple decision makers, and businesses want to know one thing before they buy. What's the return on investment gonna be? That's why understanding your target market is so important. Now let's look at the four main ways businesses segment the B2B market. The first one is firmographic segmentation. That is basically demographics for businesses. You segment companies based on things like industry, company size, annual revenue, or location. For example, a startup with 5 employees has very different needs than a manufacturing company with 2,000 employees. The second method is technographic segmentation. This means looking at the technology a company already uses. Knowing the technology stack helps you offer solutions that integrate with what they already have. The third method is behavioral segmentation. This focuses on how companies behave, what product do they buy, how often do they purchase, which pages do they visit on your website, what content do they download. Understand this behavior helps you create much more personalized marketing campaigns. And finally, there is geographic segmentation. Businesses in different countries or regions often have different regulations, cultures, and customer preferences. A marketing campaign that works in the United States might not work the same way in Europe or Asia. There are three major benefits. First, you improve your marketing. Instead of sending the same message to everyone, you create campaigns specifically designed for each segment. That usually means higher engagement, better conversion rates, and less waste advertising budget. Second, segmentation helps your sales team. If you know exactly who your ideal customers are, you can personalize your sales conversations and build stronger relationships with prospects. And third, you build better products. When you truly understand your customer's need, you can create products and services that solve their specific problem instead of guessing what they want. So how do you actually build a segmentation strategy? It starts with defining your objective. Ask yourself what you're trying to accomplish. And ask yourself if you want more qualified leads, and if you want to enter a new market or maybe improve customer retention. Next, collect and analyze your data. Then organize your customers into meaningful segments. After that, create personalized marketing campaigns for each group. And finally, keep measuring your results and refining your strategy because markets change, customer needs change, and your segmentation should evolve over time. One thing to remember is that segmentation isn't something you do once and forget. It's an ongoing process of learning more about your customers and continuously improving how you serve them. The businesses that understand their customers the best usually build stronger relationships, close more sales, and grow faster than their competitors. So if you are running a B2B business, don't try to market to everyone. Find your ideal customer, understand their needs, and create marketing specifically for them. That's how you stand out in a competitive market. That was everything I wanted to share with you today. If you're interested in marketing, business, entrepreneurship, or following my journey as I continue learning and build my agency, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again in tomorrow's video. Bye.